This is a demonstration of the circuit breaker stability pattern. From the client, which I'll start in this terminal, I can send a request for weather information to the server, which I'll start in this terminal. The server will then ask an external resource for weather information, and we implemented the circuit breaker to try and show that our server is resilient to network breakdowns or slow response from the weather information server. So let's start by starting the server. We can tail the log file of the server, and we can see that it initially starts in the closed state. I start the client, we are logged in, I ask for weather service, and immediately I get a response. I then used traffic control to set a delay on my network. There. I ask again, and there's a delay. We wait for the timeout. We see that we get an exception, and we can see that we have a failed request and we are still in closed state. We ask again, another exception and another failed request. On the third request, it should transition to open state. So let's try it out. Yes, we get the same error back to the user, and we can see that it now transitioned to open state. We see the same on the server side. And furthermore, we can see that there is a time delay of 10 seconds before it will try to transition to half open. So if I ask again, you can see that it's now transitioned to half open state. And we still have the delay, so it should transition back now to open state. See that the delay shows that it's trying to make a request. We can see here. And we see now that it's back in open state. And the second request, where the timeout is still in effect, we see that there's still 5 seconds till the next transition attempt. If I remove my delay and I try and make a request again, we see that now we are in half open, and now it should go back to closed state. Yeah, we get the weather information, and somewhere here in the log it should say that we are in open state, in closed state I mean. And that's it. That shows how the circuit breaker works in our system, and it shows that our server is resilient to network errors.